Assalamu alaikum. Let's learn fun English. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What is this? Flower, 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 beautiful flower. Feather, feather, feather. It's a lovely feather. Fish, fish, fish. What a friendly clownfish. Fish. What is the initial sound of the fish? Fish. What is the initial sound of the feather? Feather. And what is the initial sound of the flower? Flower. Now let's learn how to write f sound. Bismillah. Go around, down, lift, across. Now we have to match the sound with the picture. Flower, flower. Yes, it is. What is the initial sound of tissue? Tissue? No. Log. What is the initial sound of the log? No, it is not. Horse. Horse? No. Fish? Fish. Yes, it is. Now please match fish and flower with the first sound. See you later with the next letter, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.